Speaking at the Farnborough Air Show, the defense minister announced designs for a new RAF fighter plane, the Tempest, which would ultimately replace the Eurofighter Typhoon. The 6th generation fighter jet's concept version was introduced by Gavin Williamson. The UK will continue to be considered a Tier 1 military force after Brexit, according to the Ministry of Defence's new combat air strategy. This tactic is used to maintain air quality at home and elsewhere, to continue to be an industry leader globally. With an impressive variety of capabilities and technology, we have been the global leader in the combat aviation sector for a century, according to Williamson, and the plan is strong evidence of our commitment to maintaining this position. He said he wanted the Tempest to be flying alongside the existing fleet of Typhoons and the US-made F-35s by 2035. The government said it would spend £2 billion to develop the aircraft between now and 2025 using money set aside in 2015 for future combat air technologies, but gave no estimate of the overall cost of the Tempest program. Private companies are also contributing funds and are thought to have spent hundreds of millions on the jet to date. The Tempest will be able to fly unmanned according to plans released by the MOD, and will have next-generation technology on board designed to cope with modern. This will include swarming technology that uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to hit its targets, as well as directed energy weapons, DER, which used concentrated bursts of laser, microwave, or particle beam energy to inflict damage. Tempest will be built by a consortium led by the British defense firm B-80 Systems with the engine maker Rolls-Royce, the Italian aerospace company Leonardo, and the pan-European missile manufacturer Nimbita. However, there will be no confirmation on the numerous suppliers required to build the jet until 2025. With operational capability due to follow a decade after that, Williamson said the government's combat air strategy would help ensure the UK was a world leader in the combat air sector, which supports 18,000 UK jobs. The British defence industry is a huge contributor to UK prosperity, creating thousands of jobs in a thriving advanced manufacturing sector and generating a UK sovereign capability that is the best in the world. He said, "All the Tempest is envisaged as an eventual replacement for the Typhoon, which is scheduled to retire in 2040. They're due to fly alongside each other after 2035. The new jet will not affect the order of 138 F-35s made by the US firm Lockheed Martin. In partnership with B-80 Systems, RAF officials said the UK has been excluded from a Franco-German fighter jet that is already underway and has not built a fighter jet alone for several decades. However, Williamson, speaking in front of a group of military chiefs from around the world, indicated that Britain was seeking an international partner on the project. Our approach changes on international collaboration. He said, "My question to potential partners in the room today is simple. How can you work with us? How can we work with you?" Sweden has been mooted as a potential partner to develop the Tempest.